took my love, took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hill.
This is not good. Nice, Dad.
Go, Jake. Go, Jake.
Wrong way, wrong way.
It's backwards.
Oh my God. Upside down.
Come on, Jake. There he is. Come on, Jake.
That's it. Is that it?
There it is.
There you go, Will. What is yours?
They're actually kind of cute. We look like the people from Kung Fu Panda.
I feel like I'm about to explore a jungle.
Do I look cute?
You always look cute.
Will's found a pine cone. It's such a baby. Okay, you guys, welcome to the Upstate New York vlog. I literally had not been vlogging just because I was getting in with like family and everything, but we are literally in my favorite spot in the entire world, and my entire family is up here, and I haven't been back to the cabin in like 2 years, and Will is with me, and there's like 20 of us here, so we're all celebrating like the 4th of July, and it's just gonna be like the best weekend ever. And then I'm actually staying through next Friday, so I'm here for a little bit. So I don't know how much I'll get like while I'm with my family, just because I don't know, I want to be like, I never get to see them, and I want to be as present as possible. But wanted to start off the vlog here. I think we're just gonna have like a really low-key day. I got so much sun yesterday, you probably can't even really tell, but I'm trying to stay out of the sun today. Going to this like local lake, it's called Minerva here, and it's a man-made lake, but it's like smaller, chiller. We'll probably do like volleyball, there's like rope swings, kayaks, fishing, that type of thing, and then we have fireworks later. But yeah, it's just gonna be like the best weekend ever, so wanted to start off the vlog here. Oh, Jerry! Woo! Did you get it, Dad? Cool. All right, Cate. Was that off?
Only cock it like 3 times.
Well, I'm lining it up. I'm pretty good.
I'm a little scared now.
Hit the tree. You were low. That was close. Hi, you guys. I know I've been like the worst vlogger, but it was kind of like more of a gloomy day today anyways, and something my sis did that we've never done before is she absolutely catered for the 4th, and so we have like dinner coming, so all the girls just like showered and everything. And up here I really don't get dressed up a lot. It's usually just like comfy clothes, and then I'm usually like in a robe, and my sis has like the comfiest robes up here, and I'm never taking it off. But it's supposed to be like kind of more of a chill night, and then like I said before, we have fireworks, but I'm honestly happy we stayed out of the sun today because I got so burnt yesterday. But I feel like it turned into a tan, which is always good. But super excited. We're having dinner and then fireworks and then coming back here, hopefully doing a fire and then probably playing like poker or something.
I'm gonna use you vlog. Because I don't want to be on the beach. I don't know.
Your face. Wait, they actually look really good.
So good.
Do you want one?
No.
Yes, you do. No, don't pull. It's a pickle summer.
Have you had Grillos?
It's crisp.
Do you have Grillos in Texas?
Do I have what?
Grillos?
Yes, dude, they're my favorite pickle ever.
I think they're the best pickles I've had. Who else got a pickle? Who doesn't want it? Okay, Miss Planner. Lady with
Hey!
Yeah. I like Avon. Really good.
Don't change this. What? You have to ask me. My hair looks so blonde in that. Okay, I'm back up. You're pretty, but I want the sign. This is adorable. So I'm waiting for Will. We're gonna go on a run, guys. I haven't ran since I don't know. I used to be super into running, and then I kind of like was in my Pilates phase for a little bit. You guys know this. So I'm trying to like slowly get back into running again. And what better place to do that than the Adirondacks? It's a little hilly up here, but we're only gonna do like 2 miles, I think. So it shouldn't be too bad, but it's literally like my favorite place to run ever. So I'm super excited for that, and the weather is like perfect. So I'm just waiting for Will. Right now I'm wearing this cute little set from my favorite running brand. I love their shorts. I've just been like over Lulu recently. I've been wanting to like find different brands, and LSKD has always been like my tried and true running brand. Love their stuff, it's super cute. But yeah, I'm gonna go on a run, wait for Will, and hopefully not die. I'm a little nervous. Not really wearing running shoes either. I'm wearing these like ASIC ones. So we'll see. I feel like I'm gonna freaking die. But yeah, I am kind of nervous. I feel like this is gonna be a lot harder and I think it is. But it's only 2 miles, easy pace. Will is starting to like marathon train again, so he's starting to get into like the swing of things again. Okay, what was the place we went to? 47
Water's Edge.
Water's Edge. We're doing a sandwich haul because this is like easily the best gluten-free sandwich I've ever had in my entire life, because the gluten usually like literally falls apart in your mouth. And we got it on the boat yesterday, and Will said it was
so good. Like one of the best sandwiches I've ever had.
Okay, you go first because yours looks insane.
I just got a turkey, bacon, cheese.
Show them the inside. Up close, Will. Wow.
On sourdough. It looks really good. That's what I got yesterday too.
And then this. Look at that friggin' monster. I got turkey. I've always gotten turkey. Turkey, mayo, lettuce, tomato, oil and vinegar, side of fruit.
So good.
Okay, so we're at like my family's where we used to keep our horse. So my CC like a long time ago bought a horse when we were all little, like super little, like 26 years ago. And she actually just passed away. Her name was Image. And I spent every single summer coming up here, and she's at this like local farm, which is like 5 minutes from my cabin. And the guy who like upkeeps the farm and everything, his name is Tom. And Image and her mom were both raised here, and every summer like we just always come and we bring carrots and apples and we give the horses, and they like stay out in the field and they always like run towards us. And this is like the first summer that we don't have Image with us, and it's just so sad. Like she wasn't ever ridden, like no one ever rode her. I just love horses so much, and that's honestly where I found my love for horses and why I love being around them. And she's just so special to like our family and everything. And it was so sad. Like she literally just passed away a couple months ago, and one day like I hope to have my own horse. Me and Will, we just brought carrots, and we're just gonna go and say hi to the horses that are here. He sometimes has, I think he got a stallion a few months ago or last summer, so I want to go see him. But it's so hot and they always like a little treat. So my Cece and Aunt Pam actually haven't been back here because it's just too sad, because I don't know, it's just, even though you didn't see her and she wasn't like a dog or a cat and everything, like she was just so special to our family. So I'm excited to go see all the horses. I've honestly never seen Will interact with a horse before, so it's gonna be interesting. Oh my god, they're so tiny. They're so tiny. Hi, babies. Oh my god, they're so cute. Hi, guys. Oh my god, Will. Do you think they're gonna bite me? Hi, sweet bub. Oh my god, look at them in there. And I don't even like cats. Oh my god, stop. Here. cool under there.
Yeah. That's the reason, because it's sitting right there most of the day.
Oh, you're gentle.
Oh, yeah.
Other ones just went for it. I don't have any more. I'm sorry.
Show yourself.
I wonder if that's.
Oh, that's so smart to put it into.
What is this? Do you remember that green one that used to be here?
Yeah.
Well, it ain't no use to sit and wonder why, baby. Even you don't know by now. And it ain't no use to sit and wonder why, baby. It'll never do somehow. When your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window and I'll be gone. You're the reason I'm a-traveling on. But don't think twice, it's alright. And it ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. The light I never knowed. And it ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. But I wish there...
Everyone is finally gone from my family. I can't believe we had like literally over 25 people here. So now it's just me and my Aunt Pam. And I'm here till Friday and today's Tuesday. So I'll probably be a better vlogger the next couple days, but I had work this morning a little bit. I'm so grateful that I work remote. I don't know if I told you that, guys, but I'm still with that advertising agency in Austin, still like freelancing. I only have one client right now, but it's literally from the bottom of my heart. I'm so grateful that I get to work remote. Some people like to work hybrid, but honestly, like remote just gives me the freedom to literally be able to come back to like the East Coast whenever I want and travel, and I just love it so much. It gives me so much freedom. Will left early this morning for his flight, so I like already miss him, but I'm gonna see him on Friday, and I'm literally just soaking up literally every single second being here. I'm wearing this cute little 437 set and capris. I didn't think I was gonna like capris, but honestly, they're kind of a vibe. Also, walking up here is literally just like the best. I literally am such a nature person. I love just being outside, and it's so nice to like get out of the city, especially. This is like, I love Austin, I truly do, but just like coming up here and being on the East Coast with like my family, like it does just like make me miss the East Coast so much. But I think for a while I was so stuck on everything I didn't like about Austin, and now coming home, it just makes like upstate New York and Jersey just so much more special. And honestly, it makes me grateful that I have both. Like I have the city life and I'm experiencing a new city, but I also have like, I don't know, the New England East Coast vibe to come back to. So I don't know. For a very long time I thought I was actually gonna move to upstate New York, like to this kind of area, but I think I am like I need a little more social and things going on around me, but there's just something so healing about being up here, and that's why I'm staying a little bit longer. But it does make me kind of miss being on the East Coast, and I've been doing a lot of thinking about what the next year is going to look like, whether I'm moving back to the East Coast or if I'm going to stay in Austin a little bit. But I don't know, up here you can just literally think, like, you know, when you have places where you can just like finally breathe and hear your own thoughts. And I feel like sometimes we get so caught up in life, and I know I've been doing a lot of overthinking and stressing about I'm not in the job I want. I'm seeing all these other people in my life like get their life together and everything's going well, and I feel like I was just in a bit of a rut the past couple weeks, which has been really hard. A lot of like positive self-talk I had to like teach myself to do, because I get into the habit of, I don't know, spiraling a little bit and being like, I'm not where I want to be yet. Like, I know what I want, but I don't know how to get there. And just like a lot of pressure the last couple weeks, and honestly year of trying to like figure life out in your 20s. And whenever I come up here, no matter what is going on in my life, I just feel so much more clear-minded and have a better perspective on things. So I'm very grateful for this time to just like step outside, unplug from my phone. Like, seriously, I have not been on my phone, and I feel like that's a very big reason why I was so stuck in my head, because I fell into the comparison trap like we all do. So literally up here, there's like no Wi-Fi or anything. So it literally forces you to unplug, and I just like being outside and with family and around people, like, two most important things I think for like your mental health: get outside and be around the people you love and your environment. It just like makes such a big difference. And I just never want to leave you guys. I just feel like I can finally breathe. You don't realize how like go you are until like you finally like take a second for yourself, and that's what this place does for me. It's just so special for that reason too. It's just one of my places where I can decompress, and I don't know, I feel like my cortisol here is like -0 or like -5 or something like that. It's literally just the most calming, healing place I believe there is out there. And anyone who has like the privilege of coming up here, they all leave with like the same explanation. You just feel rejuvenated almost. So truly just love it up here. Just doing like a short little mile walk. I just love it. Except this bird, I don't know what that is.
Something you would do or say to try and make me change my mind and stay. But we never did too much talking anyway. But don't think twice, it's alright.
Okay, I'm on grill duty. We had literally the best, most chill day at the lake. I swam for so long, and now me and my Aunt Pam are cooking dinner together. We're doing cod, grilled zucchini, jasmine rice, and like a summer salad. And it's like 8 o'clock. I feel like in summers, I don't know why, we always just have later dinners, which I honestly don't mind because we're just like out and about and in no rush to have dinner. But I'm on grill duty, so good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. I swear up here I just get like the days mixed up. I don't even know what day it is. I never know what time it is. I never know where my phone is. It's the best, honestly. But I am up a little bright and early this morning because I want to get some work done before kind of like the day. I'm very grateful because this week we kind of have more of a low-key week at work. So I have a little bit more free time. I just have to like stay logged on and just be like responsive if my team kind of needs me. But a little up and early this morning because we have an hour drive to go to this hike, me and my Aunt Pam. I've never been there before, but we were looking at pictures last night and we were like, what can we do tomorrow? And we're both like super active people, and we were like, wow, this hike looks really, really cool. So it's like suspension bridges and climbing and waterfalls, and it looks really, really pretty. So we're gonna do that today, and I might just bring my computer in the car and work on the road, just because like it is like the middle of the week and I need to be working a little bit. But I think after that, I'm not really sure. Then again, it's just like the two of us. Maybe we'll go shopping or come back here and chill. I do want to go on like maybe like a night swim later. I swam for so long yesterday, and you guys, like my hips last night, they were like hurting, like sore, and like a good sore though. And I really want to get back into swimming now. Like I was doing laps and laps and laps and laps, and I think I was out there for like probably an hour. I was doing like, it was like in the swimming area, so I did like breaststroke, and then on the like the longer side I did like freestyle. And swimming is a great workout, and it's really good for like lymphatic drainage too. But my legs and hips right now are like super sore, so maybe like a hike would be good to like loosen them up. I don't really know. I need to do like some sort of yoga or Pilates too at some point today. But yeah, we also fell asleep on the couch last night watching Spanglish. I forgot how freaking funny that movie is. I feel like anything Adam Sandler does, like Grown Ups is one of my favorite movies. It's just so freaking funny, but we both fell asleep on the couch. Thing is, up here, it is a little scary at night. During the day, I'm completely fine, but that's why I don't know if I could stay up here by myself, because when it gets dark out up here, it is like very scary, like out of a horror movie kind of scary. Oh, also, this is the sunscreen I've been using. Let me see if you can see it. It's the Beauty of Joyson. I totally botched that, but it's the Day Dew sunscreen. I've been using this for literally like 6 months now. Really, really like it. It's super clean ingredients. Japanese, I think it's Japanese, or maybe it's Korean. I'm not 100% sure, but I got it at Sephora. They have like a whole collection, and I just love how lightweight it is, and it's super clean ingredients like I said before. And I also have like a tinted sunscreen from Merit, but sometimes you just don't want to use like a tinted sunscreen. Like sometimes I just want nothing on my skin, which has been more times than not lately. Like I literally hate wearing any sort of makeup on my skin recently, but I feel like everyone gets like that in the summer, especially like when I have good color. While I'm here, I might as well just show you my morning skincare. I do, like I showed you, the CeraVe moisturizer cream, and then the Day Dew sunscreen, and then I put this Merit Instant Glow Serum on top. I love this stuff. Even if like you want to like put it on before and like gua sha with it or something like that, I sometimes do that, but it just gives you such like a nice glow without making your skin like super oily. I just love it so much. It just feels like super hydrating too, which up here I feel like my skin just like it needs as much moisture as possible. It gets super dry. Yeah, that's my little 3-step skincare routine. I literally keep it so simple. I've been doing that for like the past 6 months, and I've been really loving it. My skin's been a little bit better, I feel like, because I'm still working with that functional doctor. I'm still like reacting to some of the medicine and like herbs she's giving me to heal my gut and mold and H. pylori and all of that, which I need to give you guys an update on that. But I feel like my skin's been better than usual. I also got bit up here like a couple days ago by a freaking spider, and it still hasn't gone away yet. But I'm gonna go make some coffee, and I don't know if my Aunt Pam is awake yet, but we're trying to get like up and at 'em kind of early. Also, I think I need to get an espresso machine because I've been addicted to these coffees up here.
So today we're going to learn how to set the mouse traps. The first thing you need, which is in the downstairs bathroom, some peanut butter. It's labeled on the top, do not use. It's never in the pantry, so look in the downstairs bathroom. The second thing you need is mouse trap and a knife. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it so that every time you leave, you check all the traps and you set them. So the first thing is take a little bit of peanut butter. You don't even need that much. For these, you want to put the peanut butter right on the edge of this little section. All right. Sometimes you take too much. Okay, so you just do a little smear. Straighten that out. So what you're going to do is, and you have to give it some, pull this back. Once you pull that back, you're going to hold on to the back of the trap with your thumb. Okay? And then you're going to take this piece right here, and what you want to do is line it up underneath this little section here. And once you do that, kind of release your thumb a little bit until you feel it catch. Okay? And then once you do that, go to wherever you want to put it and lightly put it down and then let go. Okay? Okay. Haley's going to set it for everybody. Pull it back. There you go. Put it into the little section. Slowly release it from the back until you feel the tension. Do you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now place it down gently. Haley, you have set it. All right.
Okay, we're about to leave for the hike. I found these jet ski glasses in my Aunt Pam's car, and I'm wearing them on our hike. To wash my face and get ready for bed. I'm literally so tired, but this is what happens when I eat dairy. I just could not say no to Stewarts, and it's like my stomach is protruding. Like, I wish I could just have real dairy, but Stewarts ice cream is just, if you know, you know, and I couldn't say no, and this is the consequence. Nothing peppermint tea can't fix, though. It's already like 11 o'clock here, so I'll probably read a little bit of my book and go to bed. But I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Pilates with Izzy on YouTube because, again, there's no, like, I don't have weights up here or literally anything, and so her workouts, I've heard such good things. My cousin's girlfriend and my aunt, they do Pilates with Nicole on YouTube, and Jamie, my cousin's girlfriend, mentioned Pilates with Izzy, and I was like, oh, I'll try it this morning because I just haven't moved my body or had like a workout in a couple days. I've just been like walking and swimming and being active, but like I wanted to actually do like a Pilates workout or some sort of workout. Oh my god, I thought my ass was literally going to fall off. My right butt cheek was like throbbing. She is Australian. I don't know what's with the Australians, but they are insane with their Pilates routines. But if you're ever looking for like a workout and you're on the go, highly recommend Pilates with Izzy or Pilates with Nicole. I just did a 30-minute booty and ab workout, and it was great. Like, I'm definitely going to do that tomorrow. No equipment. Well, actually, the only equipment she had was like a yoga block, but she said you could just use a book, and it worked great, and I feel so much better.
Never thought I'd be so far from Georgia. Georgia's where I knew I'd always live and die. Now here I am traveling through Colorado, living on the road, just trying to survive. And it's been so long since I felt at home, I've forgotten what it feels like to belong anywhere. My woman's scared, I might.
Okay, I'm wrapping up the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed what footage I got. I honestly don't even really know, but truly one of my favorite places. So grateful I get to work remote and just be able to do this for like a week. I know not many people are able to, and I don't take it for granted any day. And I can't wait to be back next year. So I will see you guys back in Austin.
Last night I drank until I passed out in the middle